Want to use Seedance 2.0 like a real app on your Windows 11 PC? In this video, I'll show you how to install it in just a few simple steps. First, open Google Chrome on your Windows 11 computer. In the search bar, type Seedance 2.0 and open the official website. Now, click on the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. From the menu, select Cast, Save, and Share. Then click on Install App. If you see Create Shortcut, you can use that option as well. A pop-up will appear. Click Install and wait a few seconds. Now go to your desktop. You'll see the Seedance 2.0 app icon. Click it to open, just like a normal app. And that's it. Now you can use Seedance 2.0 without opening your browser every time. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more easy tech tutorials.